Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Prime Video not working on your smart TV. All right, let's begin. First, power cycle your television. Turn your TV off completely. Then unplug it from the wall socket. Leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds. While the TV is unplugged, locate the physical power button on the TV itself and hold it down for around 30 seconds. This helps drain any remaining power from the unit. After that, plug the TV back into the wall socket and turn it on again. Then check if Prime Video is working properly. If the issue continues, reinstall the Prime Video app. Open your TV's home screen and go to the apps section. For me, I need to go to the settings, then access applications. Inside it, locate the Prime Video app and delete it from your TV. Once the app has been removed, return to the apps page and use the search option to find Prime Video again. Reinstall the app and open it once the installation is complete. So that's basically how you can fix Prime Video not working on your smart TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.